So Joma Shop had a sale this weekend and I did a little thing. I went ahead and I cashed out on a couple of niche fragrances and I got one designer pickup that I found at Burlington's. So if you're into fragrance and you like smelling good and those are your type of vibes, stay tuned, man. YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your smell good partner D, back again with another video, and y'all already know where y'all at. Y'all at the Layered by Scentz channel, man, and you're rocking with me. So man, you could have been any place in the world, but you're here with me, and I appreciate that. So man, if you haven't already, I'm gonna ask y'all to go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, go ahead and drop a comment, show us some love, man. Become a part of the Smell Good Squad. Y'all already watching the videos anyway, so go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can lock in. But man, without further ado, let's get into the fragrances. So man, starting off this unboxing strong, man, I had to go ahead and cash out and get this fragrance, man, because I smelled a couple of different dupes of it, and man, I just was like, it smells so good that man, I gotta go ahead and get me a bottle of the OG, man, and that is no other than that Xerjoff's Erba Pura, man. We got that Erba Pura, you feel me? So man, this one right here, you're definitely getting that nice box, you know what I'm saying? Nice purple box, information on the bottle, and man, we're gonna cut into this thing and we're gonna see what it smells like. Now I already kind of know what it smells like. Like I said, I smelled a lot of dupes. I had a decant of this at one time, so we got our box cut open. Let's see what that thing looked like. Man, that is a nice, beautiful bottle. Definitely got that fuzzy feel around it. Man, you definitely know, man, you got that Erba Pura, man. So man, you got that Erba Pure, man. You got that nice turquoise, bluish, greenish looking bottle. Man, you got your sticker on the bottom for authenticity. Man, nice heavy cap with the house name on it, Xerjoff. And man, definitely a sexy bottle, man. We got the X on the top. Let's go ahead and get that thing a few, ooh, and that atomizer. Beautiful atomizer, man. I definitely love this scent, man. This is a classic. This one, man, it starts off fruity, like a fruit basket, and then you get some of that cleanness, that freshness, and that musk that just comes through. So let me pull up the notes that's in here. All right, so look, at the top, we got Sicilian orange. We got some bergamot, some Sicilian lemon. At the heart, we got at the heart we got Mediterranean fruits. That's that big blast of sweet and juiciness. And then at the base we got that white musk, amber, and Madagascarian vanilla, man. So this right here, I'm telling you, man, this is definitely one of those ones that is definitely unisex. Definitely unisex, but man, I'm telling you, man, as a man, this is a fire pickup, man. This is definitely one of those ones that your lady, she's gonna definitely love how you smell. And man, if you're not too careful, man, she might cuff the bottle for herself. So man, go ahead and put this in a safe spot, because man, you're definitely not gonna want to share this one. But all in all, man, this thing has that photorealistic fruit hit, and then you're getting some of that sexy vanilla, and it's just one of those ones that's bright, but it has a lot of depth to it. So man, it makes it perfect for the summertime. So it makes it perfect for the summertime, the springtime, where you're going to have something that's going to stick to you and it's not going to wear off so fast just because of those fruity elements. So look, man, anytime you want to smell rich and luxurious, go ahead and pick this one right here up, man, because like I said, man, this is a spring and summertime killer. So man, that is no other than that Erba Pure by Xerjoff. Next up, we got no other than that Initio's Absolute Aphrodisiac. So man, the box, definitely a decent box presentation. It's very hefty. You got all your writing on the back. You got the house name on the front. You got your little information on the bottom. Initio at the top. And man, this is one of the ones, it just opens up right here. You're gonna pull that thing off, and bam, it opens up to another box. So now that we got all that out the way, now we're gonna pull off the actual top, and voila, you got that Initio's Absolute Aphrodisiac, man. Nice clean bottle like only Initio does. And man, this one right here, it definitely has that reputation of being sultry, dark, and just a sexy fragrance. All right, man, so man, you got the cap, which is not super special cap. We got the house name on the top. It's not super heavy. Let's see about that atomizer. Okay, pretty nice atomizer. Now this one right here, this one is definitely warm. It's resinous, sweet, and you just got that vanilla overload, man. This thing is just a fire scent, man. Definitely a nice gourmand scent to wear in those close encounters or on a date night. This one is definitely a unisex scent, so men and women can get away with it. But man, I'm telling you, this is definitely gonna be one of those ones in the collection that a brother gonna break out when he want to turn head. All right, so in this one, we got vanilla, we got amber, we got some leather, some musk, and white flowers, and it kind of has like an animalistic type of vibe to it. I guess that's from the castrium. And man, I'm telling you, this right here, fire. This is one of those ones, like I said, you want to pull this one out when you want to stand out and you want to be unforgettable, and man, you want to just turn heads, man. This one is such a special scent, man. Definitely just fire, man. Put that on skin. It's just super sweet, super gourmand, and just sexy, mysterious type of vibes, man. So that's why I got it, because man, I smelt it in the mall and I was just like, I gotta get it. I gotta get it. But there's no way that I was gonna pay that price tag, that retail price tag. Couldn't do that. So I waited. Definitely waited. Waited for a couple of months. And like I said, man, I caught that sale. And man, I was happy that I caught it to get it under retail. So if you're into those type of vibes, gourmand, sexy type of vibes, you know, pull you in type of vibes, this is definitely one of those ones you definitely should check out and possibly get into your rotation. But I would say it may not be for everybody, so man, always sample. So this is that Initio's Absolute Aphrodisiac. All right, so last but not least, I got this pickup at Burlington's, man, and it was no more than 25 bucks, but it's a 2025 release, man, and it had to be no other than that Tommy Summer Edition by Tommy Hilfiger. So man, like I said, I caught this at Burlington's for under 25 bucks, and I haven't even busted out the plastic yet. Just got it in, and we're gonna check it out, and we're gonna get a nice impression in together. Nice little impression together. I don't have any test strips, but you see the box, very basic little box. You know, we got palm trees all over it to let you know that it was the summer edition. We got a little information at the bottom, and then we got our bottle, man. That classic Tommy bottle, just like most of their bottles. This one has a little bit of that green accent on it to probably let us know it's more of a green scent. Let's get some sprays out of it. Okay, Tommy, not bad for an atomizer. Oh yeah, man, this is definitely giving me some summertime feels, man. Tropical. I feel like you're getting a little bit of coconut in here. So man, let me go ahead and check the notes out on this one, but it definitely smells good, man. All right, so the notes that's in here, we got lemon, we got some grapefruit, we got mint, some ginger, and some light woods, man. Definitely reminds me of some of those summer scents that's out, especially with the note breakdown of the citrus and the mint and the ginger. You usually get that a lot in summer fragrances. Anybody can wear this from young to old and definitely enjoy it, man. This is definitely a nice summertime scent. I would say, man, you probably will grab this and you can wear this as a great gym scent, just a casual scent, just to go run errands, lounging around the house. Like, this is one of those scents that, you know, you're not really trying to impress anybody or turn any heads, because this one is definitely like most of the summer scents that's out there. It doesn't have a really great uniqueness to it, but it smells damn good. So you're definitely not gonna get any complaints in that department. People gonna probably compliment you, tell you that you smell good, but I just don't see it as one of those scents that's gonna go super crazy, get a bunch of hype behind it, because it just doesn't smell super unique, but it's a good scent profile. So if you're into those type of vibes, man, less than 25 bucks, you really can't beat it for 100 mil. Like I said, I found this at Burlington, nice 2025 release, and man, you definitely can't beat that, man. So this is one of the ones I'll probably take me some time with it, check it out, and I'll come back and I'll report to you guys on the longevity and how great it is, or how not great it is. So that is that Tommy Hilfiger Tommy Summer Edition. I think we got some great pickups that came in, and one that I found just out and around. And like I said, man, I'm definitely happy that I got a chance to get those 2 niche fragrances in my collection, because I had been wanting to get them in, and man, now they finally in the collection. I could breathe a little bit more easy with my money and go back to get some more cheapies. But hey, man, if you're into that type of vibe, you're into niche, you're into designer, you're into cologne fragrances, man, we got it all here, man. We do it all here. So I want to ask you guys to go ahead and subscribe, man. I know I asked you before, but man, go ahead and lock in, subscribe, be a part of the Smell Good Squad. You know what I mean? Fragcom community. And man, that's how we doing it over here, man. We just finding the best scents that we can find, and as I find them and I smell them, I test them out, I'm gonna report back to you guys to help you guys make a distinction between things that you want to get and things that you can miss out on. So man, if you want to go down the rabbit hole even deeper, go ahead and check out one of the videos that I got up on the screen, and make sure you hit the subscribe right here. And man, like I said, go ahead and lock in, man. This your boy D. This is the Scentz channel. We'll see you next time. Peace.